Chikusen High School, it says.
Six.
At midnight. Prepare 12-1 Taiwan Yuan coins with wax.
7. 9. 10.
And put it in a vending machine one by one.
11.
You can conjure up.
12.
The goddess of the vending machine, Madame Daien.
Are you the one who called me out? It worked! Oh, our customer is a high school student this time.
Looks like it. Mrs. Kayu, becoming 17 this year, a junior at Chikusen High.
So young. I envy you.
Madame Daien, you just let out your true mind.
Don't you know the expression silence is golden?
I know, the silence of the lambs though.
Oh, shut up!
According to our record, she's quite the rising star in the Taiwanese athletics world, and sweeping all sorts of awards here and abroad.
Oh, well. Yeah, you are something.
But sadly, her breasts are barely an A cup.
Shut up! Admittedly, we're all incomplete beings, aren't we? Bra sizes don't matter at all. Anyway, you knew how to call me out. Let's cut the crap and get down to business, shall we? So, miss, what do you want to buy? From exotic creatures to authentic treasures, I can sell you anything you want.